Hello and welcome. My name is Eric Kelly and I'm a U.S. intellectual property attorney, also known as an IP attorney. I handle patent, trademark, and copyright matters. Patents deal with protecting inventions and products. Trademarks deal with protecting one's branding. And copyrights deal with protecting one's creative works like videos, photos, music, and the like. And this video is just to introduce myself from a professional point of view, and so viewers can learn how to independently verify my credentials and experience as a U.S. patent attorney and as a trademark attorney. So we're going to start out here by jumping onto a Google search to verify basically my corporate entity or my company name. So from Google, we're going to do, and because I'm based out of California, I registered or formed my corporation within California. So we're going to start with California Business Search. And then we're going to search from the California Secretary of State website, which is right here. So we'll click here. I'm doing a business search for the California Secretary of State. So we'll enter my corporate entity's name, which is called Kelly Tech Law. And you'll see Kelly Tech Law PC, which PC just stands for Professional Corporation. You can see that my name is Eric Kelly. So you can, this is my corporate entity. If you click on it, you can see, my basic info. Okay. Next, we're going to do a Yelp search, just again to bring up my company name. So Kelly Tech Law, we'll search because I'm near Ontario. I'm not sure if that search would work, so we'll do where I'm actually located, Fontana, Kelly Tech Law, California, search. And you can see again, here's my company and a picture of me. So that's kind of verifying my corporate entity of Kelly Tech Law from the California Secretary of State website and just from a basic Yelp search. Then I'll just go over to my actual website, which is kellytechlaw.com. So here's my website. And again, that's me, Eric Kelly. This is an old website. It's probably about 10 years old now. So I do plan to update this website sometime this year. So this may change, hopefully in the near future. Now I have another website that's a little bit more recent, which is called ipforinfluencers.com. This is my other website. Again, this is me, Eric Kelly. So next, we're going to go to another Google search, and we're going to be basically verifying that I'm a California attorney. So from Google, we'll do California attorney search, and we're running the search from the California or the State Bar of California, which is this link here, the search result. So now we're at the State Bar of California's website. Look up a lawyer. Again, just enter my name, Eric Kelly, search. Two search results pop up. One is for Erica, which is not me, but this is me, Eric Kelly. So again, this verifies that I am a California attorney. Here's my state bar number for California. Next, we're going to do another Google search, and this time this will be to verify that I am a patent attorney, or a patent attorney specifically that is registered to practice before the United States Patent and Trademark Office, the USPTO. So the search here we'll do is USPTO attorney search. And you want to go to the uspto.gov website, but we're also looking in particular for OED, which stands for the Office of Enrollment and Discipline. So this link here will work, or should work. So this is the correct web page from the uspto.gov website for the Office of Enrollment and Discipline. Find a patent practitioner. So again, you can enter my name, Eric Kelly, hit search, and this brings me up Eric Kelly. So I'm a patent attorney that's registered to practice before the United States Patent and Trademark Office on patent matters. Next, we're going to go to a patent search engine, one of many, and we're going to basically verify some of my experience with respect to patents. So we'll go to freepatentsonline.com. We'll click on this search field, get out of the ad. We're going to go to quick search, and we're going to look for the field that says attorney or agent. And then we're going to enter the search string of Eric Kelly in quotes. So this should bring up every United States issued patent where the attorney of record was Eric Kelly, which is me. So you can see as of today, which is January 22nd, 2023, we have search results of 161 US issued patents. So I've worked on approximately, or I've obtained approximately 161 US patents. And this just lists the first, 50 or so. You can click on the others to see the rest. All kinds of diverse technologies being represented here. So this document field or this column, these are actually patent numbers. So those that start with numbers are utility patents, and those that start with the letter D are design patents. So just as an example, if I click on this design patent for a bracelet, and then we'll look at the actual PDF file of the issued patent here. So this is the cover page of that patent. And you can see I'm listed as Eric Kelly as the attorney of record for this US design patent, which was on a bracelet. This happened to have been a bracelet designed after, a tennis trophy. Let's look at a utility patent. So we'll look at this utility patent. This one happens to deal with the safe disposal of nuclear waste. So again, we'll come down here and we'll click on the actual PDF file of that patent. Here's the cover page. And again, you can see I'm listed, Eric Kelly, as the attorney of record for this US utility patent. Next, we're going to go back to the USPTO.gov website, USPTO.gov. And now we're going to search in the trademark areas, and this is just to show my experience with United States trademarks. So from trademarks, we'll then go over here to searching trademarks, search our trademark database, yes. And you can have three kind of basic search options. We're going to do this free form search here. And we're going to enter this particular search string for Eric Kelly as the attorney of record. And you can see that it's bringing up 228 records. So again, currently, as of January 2023, it's basically showing that I've worked on 228 US trademarks. So for example, if I click on one, no, we're not going to do a survey right now. If you look here for this particular trademark, which are these kind of interlocked O's, you'll see that I'm listed as the attorney of record, Eric Kelly, for this trademark. Next, we're going to go over to a website called Avvo, avvo.com. And this is a website where basically anyone can post a legal question, and then volunteer lawyers will hopefully respond to that question and give you some feedback. And my profile's popping up here for some reason, probably because I'm located near this area. But to go into my actual profile, we'll run this from a Google search. So from Google, I'll enter a search string of site.www.avvo.com, Eric Kelly. So this should bring me to my profile page within Avvo. So this first link here, the search result, this should be my profile page within Avvo. We'll click on that. So yeah, and this is my profile page. And you'll see other attorneys get posted up here for basically advertising for them. Kumar here is also a patent attorney, and we went to the same law school. He graduated before me. It was actually a mentor of mine. But anyway, if you look at my profile, if you come down into this area, you know, my contributions to Avvo, you can see over the years I've answered 1,544 legal questions. So I'm pretty active. I try to answer at least one question per day. And you can click on this link. You could actually, if you wanted to, you could go through all of, you know, the various answers I've responded to over the years for various legal questions. Next, we're going to look at, just kind of to summarize the various websites we looked at in this video, just as a recap. So we started out with going to the California Secretary of State website, and this was just to verify my corporate entity of Kelly Tech Law. Then we jumped over to Yelp. Again, just look up my company, Kelly Tech Law. Again, verifies I'm in a business in the area. Went to my own website of kellytechlaw.com. We went to one of my other websites, ipforinfluencers.com. Then we went over to the State Bar of California website to verify that I'm actually a California attorney. Then from there, we went to a particular area of the USPTO.gov website for the Office of Enrollment and Discipline to verify that I'm actually a U.S. patent attorney that's registered to practice patent law before the USPTO. Then we went over to a patent search engine, and there's several different ones, but the one we went to was freepatentsonline.com, and we basically just used that particular search there to verify that I have worked on over 150 different issued U.S. patents over the years for my clients. Then we went back to the USPTO.gov website, and this was to do a search under the trademark area to verify I have tons of experience with trademarks as well as patents. So from that search, we showed that I had worked on over 200 U.S. trademarks. And we went over to my profile in avvo.com just to show I'm active at answering, questions of the public, legal questions from the public. So we'll wrap up this video just with the slide showing my contact information, some of my basic credentials here. My name, Eric Kelly. Here's my State Bar California number. Here's my USPTO registered patent attorney number. My law degree is a JD, or what sometimes is called a Juris Doctorate or Doctor of Jurisprudence. My undergraduate degrees are a Bachelor of Science degree in chemical engineering and a Bachelor of Science degree in genetics. I handle patent, trademark, and copyright matters in the U.S., but my clients can be basically anywhere because the nature of my law practice is U.S. federal law. So I have clients that are local, I have clients all over California, I have clients all over the United States, and I have clients all over the world. And lastly, here's my contact information, phone number, and a couple of emails. I'm happy to talk with clients over the phone. However, if you're a new client and I don't recognize your phone number, I generally won't pick up that call, as I get a lot of basically spam or solicitation phone calls. So if you want to talk over the phone, we need to arrange that call first, generally through text or email. And I do give free initial consultations. And hopefully from this video, you should be able to tell that I have a wealth of experience. And I'm also, as far as intellectual property attorneys go, a very affordable patent attorney. So thank you for listening. Please subscribe to help me reach others about intellectual property matters. And here's some suggested videos on intellectual property matters.